Hello and welcome back. We're continuing on in the book. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us keep making these daily videos. It's like today is puzzle number 310. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here. So 3, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 8, 3. For this row, we're only missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 9 here, so 4, 9. For this top row now, we're missing 6 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 7, 7 here, so 1, 5, and no help here, 1, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. 2 here, so 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column, we're missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. That 5 makes this our 1. And we can get rid of this 1. For this row, we're missing 8 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 7. 7 here, so 4, 6, and no help here, 4, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 9. 3 and 9 here. So this is our 1. That makes this our 9, 3. That 9 makes this our 1. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 2 here, so 9, 2. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 6, 8. This 5 makes this our 7, 5. That 7 makes this our 6, 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 6 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.